If managing your blood sugar has meant feeling like half the foods you actually enjoy are suddenly off the table, this video is for you. 20 meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, every single one built to keep your blood sugar steady without making your plate feel like a punishment. Let's get into it. Number 1. Greek yogurt with walnuts and cinnamon. Plain Greek yogurt has very little impact on blood sugar on its own, and pairing it with nuts and cinnamon adds flavor without adding refined sugar. Spoon a cup of plain Greek yogurt into a bowl, top with a small handful of walnuts and a sprinkle of cinnamon. If you'd like a touch of sweetness, a few fresh berries work better here than honey, since they add fiber alongside the natural sugar. The protein in Greek yogurt slows digestion, which helps prevent the kind of rapid blood sugar spike that a sugary cereal or pastry might cause first thing in the morning. Number 2. Veggie Egg Muffins. These are essentially a crustless quiche made in a muffin tin, and they can be made ahead in a batch for several mornings at once. Whisk 6 eggs with a splash of milk, salt, and pepper. Stir in a handful of chopped spinach, bell pepper, and a sprinkle of cheese. Pour into a greased muffin tin and bake at 350 degrees for about 18 minutes until set. Store extras in the fridge for quick mornings ahead. Eggs contain almost no carbohydrates at all, meaning they have very little direct effect on blood sugar while still providing the protein needed to keep you full and steady through the morning. Number 3. Chia seed pudding. Made the night before, this requires no cooking and sets into a pudding-like texture by morning. Stir 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add a small drizzle of stevia or a few mashed berries for sweetness. Refrigerate overnight, stirring once after the first 30 minutes to prevent clumping. Chia seeds are extremely high in fiber, which slows the absorption of any natural sugars present and helps keep blood sugar levels more stable across the morning than a typical high-carb breakfast would. Number 4. Avocado on whole grain toast with egg. Whole grain bread digests more slowly than white bread, and pairing it with healthy fat and protein further slows that digestion. Toast a slice of whole grain bread. Mash a quarter of an avocado on top with a pinch of salt. Top with a fried or poached egg. A sprinkle of black pepper or chili flakes finishes it off nicely. The fiber in whole grain bread combined with the healthy fats in avocado creates a meal that releases energy gradually, rather than causing the rapid rise and crash associated with refined carbohydrates. Number 5. Cottage cheese with cucumber and tomato. This savory option skips the sugar entirely while still feeling like a complete, satisfying breakfast. Spoon half a cup of cottage cheese into a bowl, add sliced cucumber and cherry tomatoes alongside. Season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil if you'd like. This combination is naturally low in carbohydrates while still being high in protein and calcium, making it one of the gentlest options on this entire list for anyone watching their blood sugar closely. Number 6. Grilled chicken salad with olive oil dressing. Leafy greens have minimal impact on blood sugar, and grilled chicken adds protein without any added sugar from sauces or dressings. Grill or pan-sear a chicken breast seasoned with salt and pepper, then slice. Serve over a bed of mixed greens, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. Dress simply with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon rather than a bottled dressing, which often contains hidden sugar. Making your own simple dressing avoids the added sugars commonly found in store-bought versions, while the lean protein and fiber from the vegetables work together to keep blood sugar steady through the afternoon. Number 7. Lentil soup. Lentils have a notably low glycemic impact compared to many other starches, meaning they raise blood sugar far more slowly than rice or pasta would. Sauté a chopped onion and carrot in a pot for a few minutes. Add a cup of dried lentils and 4 cups of broth. Simmer for 25 minutes until soft. Season with cumin, salt, and pepper. The fiber and protein in lentils combine to slow digestion considerably, which is part of why legumes are consistently recommended as a blood sugar-friendly carbohydrate source. Number 8. Tuna lettuce wraps. Replacing bread with lettuce leaves removes a significant carbohydrate source while keeping the meal just as satisfying. Mix a drained can of tuna with a spoonful of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, salt, and pepper. Spoon the mixture into large lettuce leaves and wrap like a taco. Add sliced cucumber or avocado inside if you'd like. This swap keeps the protein and healthy fats of a traditional tuna sandwich while removing the refined carbohydrates that bread would normally contribute to the meal. Number 9. Zucchini noodles with pesto and chicken. Spiralized zucchini stands in for pasta here, dramatically reducing the carbohydrate content of a typically heavy meal. Spiralize or buy pre-spiralized zucchini noodles. Sauté briefly in a pan for 2 to 3 minutes, just until slightly softened. Toss with a spoonful of pesto and top with sliced grilled chicken. Zucchini contains a fraction of the carbohydrates found in traditional pasta, meaning this version delivers the same comforting flavor profile with a far gentler effect on blood sugar. Number 10. Egg salad lettuce cups. Similar to the tuna wraps, this swaps bread for lettuce while keeping the classic flavor of an egg salad sandwich intact. Chop 2 hard-boiled eggs and mix with a spoonful of mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. Spoon into lettuce leaves instead of bread. A sprinkle of paprika on top adds color and flavor. Eggs contribute almost no carbohydrates on their own, and removing the bread here means this lunch has a minimal overall impact on blood sugar while still delivering a full serving of protein. Number 11. Baked salmon with roasted broccoli. Salmon and broccoli together create a dinner that's both nutrient-dense and very low in carbohydrates. Season a salmon fillet with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Place on a baking sheet alongside broccoli florets tossed in a little olive oil. Bake at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes until the salmon flakes easily. Salmon's omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, making this combination particularly useful for anyone specifically managing blood sugar over the long term. Number 12. Cauliflower rice stir-fry. Cauliflower, pulsed into rice-sized pieces, stands in for traditional rice while cutting the carbohydrate content dramatically. Pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until rice-sized, or buy pre-riced cauliflower. Sauté in a pan with a little oil for about 5 minutes. Add a scrambled egg, mixed vegetables, and a splash of soy sauce, stirring until combined. Cauliflower rice has a fraction of the carbohydrates of traditional white rice, allowing you to enjoy a stir-fry in the same format you're used to without the same blood sugar impact. Number 13. Turkey chili with beans. Ground turkey and beans together create a hearty, filling dinner with a moderate, steady release of energy rather than a sharp spike. Brown a pound of ground turkey in a pot. Add a can of diced tomatoes, a can of kidney beans, and chili seasoning. Simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. The fiber in beans slows the digestion of their natural carbohydrates considerably, which is part of why legume-based dinners like this tend to have a gentler effect on blood sugar than meals built around refined grains. Number 14. Stuffed bell peppers with ground beef and cauliflower rice. This swaps traditional rice stuffing for cauliflower rice, keeping the comforting format while reducing the carbohydrate load. Hollow out bell peppers and set aside. Brown ground beef in a pan with onion, then mix in cauliflower rice and a can of diced tomatoes. Stuff the mixture into the peppers and bake at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes. This version delivers the same satisfying, hearty meal as a traditional stuffed pepper recipe, while the cauliflower rice substitution keeps the overall carbohydrate content significantly lower. Number 15. A grilled shrimp with garlic green beans. Shrimp is naturally very low in carbohydrates, and pairing it with green beans keeps the entire dinner light on blood sugar impact. Season shrimp with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, then sauté in a pan for 2 to 3 minutes per side until pink. Sauté green beans separately in a little oil and garlic for about 5 minutes until tender crisp. Shrimp provides lean protein with virtually no carbohydrates, making this one of the gentlest dinner options on this entire list for anyone closely watching their blood sugar levels. Number 16. Celery with peanut butter. This classic combination pairs fiber with protein and healthy fat, creating a snack with minimal blood sugar impact. Cut celery into sticks. Spread a spoonful of natural peanut butter without added sugar onto each piece. Choosing a natural peanut butter without added sugar matters here, since many standard brands include sweeteners that would otherwise undercut the blood sugar-friendly nature of this snack. Number 17. Hard-boiled eggs. About as simple as a snack can get, and one of the lowest carbohydrate options available. Boil eggs for 10 minutes, then cool in ice water before peeling. Keep a batch in the fridge for whenever a snack is needed. Add a pinch of salt and pepper before eating. With essentially zero carbohydrates, hard-boiled eggs have almost no direct impact on blood sugar, while still delivering protein that helps curb hunger between meals. Number 18. Almonds and cheese cubes. This pairs healthy fats with protein, creating a snack that satisfies without spiking blood sugar. Portion a small handful of almonds alongside a few cubes of cheese. The combination of fat and protein here slows digestion considerably, helping avoid the blood sugar swings that a carbohydrate-heavy snack like crackers alone might cause. Number 19. Cucumber slices with hummus. Hummus provides a small amount of carbohydrate from chickpeas, but its fiber and protein content help offset any impact on blood sugar. Slice a cucumber into rounds. Serve with a few tablespoons of hummus for dipping. The fiber and protein in hummus slow the digestion of its carbohydrate content, while the cucumber itself contributes almost no carbohydrates at all, keeping this snack gentle overall. Number 20. Greek yogurt with chia seeds. This rounds out the list by combining two ingredients already proven throughout this video to be gentle on blood sugar. Stir a tablespoon of chia seeds into a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Let it sit for 5 minutes to thicken slightly before eating. Both ingredients are high in protein and fiber, respectively, making this final snack a fitting close to a list built entirely around steady, manageable blood sugar throughout the day. 20 meals, breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. Every single one built to keep your blood sugar steady, without ever feeling like you're missing out on real flavor. Which one are you trying first? Drop the number in the comments. We read every one. New recipes every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Subscribe so you don't miss the next roundup.